am K. Shraddha from 8th standard.
Good morning everyone, my name is Geeta Ujwala from 8th standard. Today we are explaining about microscope in our science laboratory.
Microscope was invented by Anthony von Leeuwenhoek.
This is U-shaped base. This is called handle in C shape. This is fine adjustment. This is stage. This is lenses, 40x and 10x lenses.
This is eyepiece. This is fine adjustment. These are slide holders. This is convex mirror. This is slide. This is draw tube. I am proving as experiment. This is monocot stem, TS inner part stem. Now I am placing it under the microscope with the help of slide holders. Now I am seeing it under the microscope. You can also observe it under a microscope. It looks like a small structures. Thank you.